Welcome again to the Virtual Interactive Museum Project. This is Brianna, who's here to take us on a quick tour of the museum. So let's get going. We come in, there's a welcome message from the curator. That's me.
Hi, and welcome to the Interactive Music Museum in 3D.
We also have project background information. When you click this, it opens up the built-in web browser and it gives you a history of the project. Opposite that wall, we have a whole explanation here of the MQuests and MQuizzes. By clicking that, it will open up the web browser again, explaining that MQuests are learning adventures with instructions on what you're expected to learn, and that MQuizzes are a way to evaluate what you did indeed learn. There's also a word about assessment and Bloom's taxonomy and what I'm trying to accomplish. We're now ready to go to our first exhibit, which is Music Mystery Haikus. This is music and literacy. When you come to a new exhibit, you go to the MQuest night, you click on it, and MQuest will appear. This is number 1. It will tell you what to do. Go to the Mystery Music Haiku exhibit. Try to guess the answers to the haiku riddles. Open up the MQ quiz number 1. Answer any questions. Take a screenshot of your MQuiz completion page. Show your teacher the screenshot of the completed MQuiz. Find MQuiz number 2. There are mystery haikus written by students. A long sliding pipe, color of gold or silver, a brass instrument, what am I? When you click on it, it reveals the answer, trombone. Animal skins used next to each other by two wooden tubes, what am I? And the answer is bongos. When you have completed all of the haiku questions, the mystery haikus, you go to the MQ quiz robot. You click on him. The due to assessment opens up with instructions. Drag the musical instrument name to the correct music mystery haiku. And I click I'm done, and I get this: congratulations, you have successfully completed MQuiz number 1, Music Mystery Haiku. You've earned 10 points and have leveled up. Print screen this page for proof of your accomplishment. So since this is a PC-based program, you would print screen it, copy it, or print it, and have proof of your points. The 10 points and the leveling up, guess where that came from? Wow. And you press OK, and we'll close that for now. This exhibit theory, activity, and resource page, there's an MQuest. When you open that up, it will tell you to visit each of the music references and theory sites on the wall and what to do. You click on these theory sites and activities, you find these wonderful pages. A lot of them are from Dr. Rep that I got from his class. Key Trainer, for instance, teaches you how to tell different keys, and you actually take a quiz. It gives you correct, incorrect, and percentage. So there's a lot of learning to be done here. You then take the quiz at the end. All of my quizzes were created on Udoo. Move on to the next exhibit. This is a wonderful exhibit called Musical Genres, made by my 5th graders. Musical styles or genres, click and listen to each 30-second sample and create an interpretive dance to each style. How do you do that? Well, you could do it in real life, or you could take your avatar. So you come to this wall. Brianna will show us. Well, let's say we take Mambo here. Watch what happens. When I click the Mambo button, you hear Mambo music. She can start doing a dance by utilizing the different gestures. Take it away, Brianna. She liked that mambo. And on the right, you see this wonderful report created by my students about the mambo. And this report will come up when you do other styles also. Let's take disco. Disco music starts, and Brianna starts dancing, and a report about disco music and its history open up in the web browser. Of course, this is all explained to you on the MQuest, and when you're done, you go to the MQuiz number 3. The MQuiz opens up and asks you a question. What musical genre is this example of? You see the visual and you hear it, so this is very multi-sensory. That's an easy one. That's Mambo. West Africa. I've leveled up and I've got 10 more points. I've got 30 points now. This is a museum that is created to celebrate and display student work and achievement. It also addresses the national music standards. This is a video here that when you click on, you see a movie about instruments made by students. Let's teleport. And we teleport to the outdoor area of the museum project, and we come to the MQuest. This is my MQ number 4. Visit the following instrument family buildings: strings, brass, woodwind, and percussion. Explore and learn about which instruments are from each family, and when you're ready, take the MQuiz. So we have brass family, we have the woodwind family, the percussion family, and the string family. Now here's what's really cool about this exhibit. When you come up to, let's say, the woodwind family, you can try to guess what these instruments are. Now you notice it got very quiet because I created a zone to take all the ambient sound so kids can do critical listening. What's the name of this instrument? Well, you can guess it and then click on that. It's a soprano sax. What does a soprano sax sound like? If you click on the instrument, it hyperlinks to an MP3 file, as does the alto sax, the tenor sax, the baritone sax, and the clarinet. And this is true on all the different exhibits. When you're done, we come over to the MQuiz and we click on it. The U2 assessment opens up, and you have to, in this case, match the instruments, and you gain more leveling points. Let's go to the final part of the museum. MQuest number 5 is to explore the famous composer park, and click on the portraits to activate first-person biography monologues. Listen to the composers, and when you're done, take the MQuiz number 5. Here's Stephen Foster. Click on it.
Hi, I'm Stephen Foster. I was a pianist that liked to play romantic music. I live in
Stephen Foster's portrait animates. The student created a research report, does it as a first-person dialogue, and tells us about it. So you hear the music, first-person biography, and an animation done by the kids. When girls did first-person reports of male composers, they opted to do something with their pets. Scott Joplin.
Hi, I'm Jackie, and I want to tell you a little bit about my owner, Scott Joplin.
And then when you're all done, you come over to the MQuiz, click on it, and label the correct name under the picture. So that is the end of our tour of the wonderful interactive virtual music museum. Brianna says goodbye. Thank you for coming. Blow us a kiss. There you go. Wonderful kiss. And come by and visit again.